What's going on YouTube? It's your boy John from Project Ellsworth. Rumor has it there's a new KoRn song out there. It was released within the last day or two, as far as I know. Just came across my radar, I believe, yesterday. And I figured, I like KoRn, and I have a YouTube channel. I've never reacted to a video before on my channel, but there's a first time for everything, right? So, let's see. I'm not even sure what it's called. KoRn. What do we got? KoRn Start the Healing. I know that I saw a couple days ago that there was something on their website, like a countdown or a live stream or something. So, it was pretty obvious that they had something in the pipeline that was getting ready to come out. And apparently, it's the video for this new song. So, let's see. Let's check out KoRn Start the Healing. I wonder if Fieldy's in this thing. I know he's taking a break from the band.
Do you really want to come with me? It's hard to see through the eyes of a stranger. Are you ready for the fear to leave so you can breathe and not live with the danger? But there's always something fighting its way back in.
I definitely like it.
Something pushing me to give in. Do you really want to make believe and try to achieve a little?
This band sounds so much better now the head is back. I know he's been back for quite a while now, but when he wasn't there, it was blatantly obvious that he wasn't there. I think this is the third album, or no, you know what? I think it's the fourth album that they've released since he's been back. And so far, so good. This sounds fantastic.
Break from the anger. I should have been good. I should have been down. I couldn't let go. What could I do? I could take it all away. The feelings.
What the hell is that?
The pain that starts the healing. I should have withstood. I shouldn't bow down. I couldn't get through. What could I do? I could take it all away.
That definitely looks like Fieldy's hand playing the bass. But I also know with absolute certainty that he took a hiatus from the band for a while. He had some stuff going on that he had to take care of. As far as I know, that's all it was. I don't think it's anything, well, obviously it was something serious enough to make him step away from the band for a while.
Do you really want to throw at me this travesty that cuts sharp like a razor? Are you ready for your scars to bleed? You will succeed.
It's amazing that these guys, none of the four of these dudes look like they've aged a day in like the last 10 years. It's pretty amazing, especially given all the drugs that they all put into their body over the years. I know that they're, for the most part, sober now for a number of years, if I'm not mistaken. All of them.
Pulling out the invaders, but there's always something fighting its way back in. But there's always something pushing me to give in. Do you really want to make believe and try to achieve a little break from the anger? I should have been good. I should have been down. I couldn't let go. What could I do? I could take it all away.
This is pretty fantastic. The last couple albums that they put out had some hits and some misses on them. This is definitely a very, very good start to this album, in my opinion, obviously. Well, introduction to the album. Who knows if this is actually the beginning of the album or not.
I shouldn't bow down. I couldn't get through. What could I do? I could take it all away. The feelings. Everything I'm feeling burst into flames.
Just a typical, amazing, unique sound that comes out of this band. I've been a fan of these guys since their first album came out. I kind of lost track of them the years that Head wasn't there. I think that they're a completely different band with him present and writing and recording with them. So, needless to say, I was very happy that he came back.
Looking at his soul, it's
At this point, that's old news, though.
broken and night the wish is always the same. Keep on hoping that I don't go insane. The more you fall for it.
Their artistic vision is undeniable. It's so strange. Jonathan Davis is like a mad scientist with some of the stuff that he comes with. Like, what the hell is this that I'm even looking at right now?
The more it starts to stick, the more you fall for it. The more it starts to stick,
And
the more you fall for it. The more it starts to stick, the more you fall for it. It's never going to quit.
I love that ominous organ that's going on in the background there. The last album that these guys put out was really, really good too, but almost the entire album was written around the death of Jonathan's ex-wife, and you can tell by listening to that album that a lot of that was written while he was in some pretty severe pain. This feels more like a return to old school KoRn to me. I love it.
I should have been good, I should have been down. I couldn't let go, what could I do? I could take it all away. The feelings break apart, the pain is just the feeling. I should have withstood, I shouldn't bow down. I couldn't get through, what could I do? I could take it all away. The feelings break apart.
A lot of this stuff looks like something you would see in a science fiction movie, like an alien movie to me.
The pain is just the feeling. Break apart, the pain is just the feeling. Break apart, the pain is just the feeling.
The last album had a lyric video that was released for their first single, and the entire video was like a animated guy, faceless, and he was wrapped up in wires and or cables, and I'm seeing a lot of that going on in here too. I wonder what that's about. These guys have some sort of an obsession with cabling. Very strange. Maybe that's why they all have dreadlocks. Very, very good. Awesome. Very strange to see them guys without Fieldy, though. All right, so that's it. I thought that was really, really good. I enjoyed that, and I cannot wait until the new album comes out. I got to look into it. I have no idea when it's going to be out. I knew that it was coming out. Like I said at the beginning of the video, they've had something posted on their website, like a live stream with nothing else going on, but that's always an indication that something's coming. So obviously, KoRn has a new album coming out, I would assume right around the corner. That's it for this video. That was my maiden voyage of reacting to new music on my channel. I've never done that before. It's kind of fun. I like doing that. I guess I'll try and work that in, as deemed to be appropriate. I'm going to get out of here. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you really like this video and you've been enjoying my content up to this point, please do me a huge personal favor. Click that subscribe button and ring that bell. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Have a kick-ass day. And thank you for watching. Later, folks.